You can't have a great day if everybody's freezing, right?
That's why KCWI and Best Heating and Cooling want to make your home feel just right.
With this new Amana 80,000 BTU, 96% efficiency furnace.
For your chance to win, just go to KCWI23.com and upload a picture of your old, worn-out furnace and tell us why you'd love for your family to have a new one.
We'll announce the winner on the Great Day Morning Show Wednesday, November 25th.
Only from Best Heating and Cooling and KCWI 23 HD.